Think you're a pro at booking flights? The game has changed. Airlines are using algorithms to change your ticket price based on how you search. Flying alone could even cost you more for the same seat than someone booking for two. These quiet rule changes are costing travelers a fortune. In this video, I'm exposing the sneakiest new policies and showing you how to fight back. Flying has always been frustrating, but what's happening now is on another level. It's not just shrinking legroom, it's a fundamental shift in how airlines make money. The perks you took for granted are disappearing, and cheap fares can inflate with hundreds in hidden fees. We were trained to chase the lowest base price, but airlines are a step ahead, using a maze of fees and dynamic pricing to turn that deal into a loss. They're betting you won't notice. In this video, we're diving into the most outrageous new rules, and I'll give you actionable tips to beat them at their own game. First up is AI-assisted pricing. Airline algorithms track your search history, your device, and how many times you view a flight. Ever see a flight price jump after you've searched it a few times? That's the algorithm flagging you as a high-intent buyer, betting you'll pay more. It feels unfair because the price becomes unpredictable. You and your neighbor could be shown two different prices for the exact same seat. The solution: always search in incognito or private mode to block cookie tracking. Clear your cache before each new search. Try searching from different devices, like your laptop and then your phone. And consider a VPN, as airlines sometimes offer lower fares to customers in different countries. Next is the solo traveler penalty. A search for a single ticket can actually show a higher price per person than a search for two. For example, one ticket might be $22, but searching for two drops the price to $266 each. This happens when only one seat is left in a cheap fare bucket, bumping a solo searcher to a more expensive class. This penalizes millions of business and leisure travelers. The solution: before you book a solo flight, always run a second search for two passengers. If the per-person price is lower, you've found the puzzle. Your best bet is often to book with a different airline on that route. For decades, Southwest's identity was built on a simple, powerful promise: bags fly free. It was a core part of their brand, but that era is officially over. For most tickets booked on or after May 28, 2025, the beloved two free checked bags policy is gone for good. Passengers will now pay fees like $35 for a first bag and $45 for a second. The airline is also ending its unique open seating perk, moving to assigned seats in early 2026. For loyal customers, these changes feel like a betrayal, proving that no perk is truly safe in today's airline industry. The solution: you must now factor these new bag fees into your Southwest budget. However, free bags are still available for top-tier A-list preferred members and those flying on premium business select fares. A-list members and Southwest credit card holders also get one free bag, which is a significant saving. If you fly them often, the card's annual fee might be worth it to offset the new costs. Otherwise, it's time to master the art of the carry-on and pack light. If this is useful and you're tired of sneaky fees, hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about giving you insider knowledge to travel smarter, and your support helps me keep fighting for you. Airlines are aggressively pushing passengers toward mandatory digital systems. Some, like Ryanair, require you to check in on their app. This isn't just about convenience. Failing to comply can result in hefty and, frankly, unfair airport check-in fees. Then there's biometric boarding, where a camera scans your face instead of your pass. Airlines promote it as faster and more secure, but the opt-out process for U.S. citizens is often poorly communicated, leaving many feeling they have no choice. This is a nightmare if your phone dies, you're not tech-savvy, or you simply value your privacy. Your personal data's security is a major concern. The solution: for app check-ins, be prepared. Download the app well before your trip. Check in 24 hours ahead, and always carry a fully charged power bank. For biometric boarding, know your rights. U.S. citizens can opt out. Politely but firmly find a gate agent and say, "I'd like to opt out of biometric boarding." They are required by law to process you manually. As travelers got savvy, packing everything into carry-ons to dodge checked bag fees, airlines saw their revenue dip. They needed a new strategy to reclaim that income. Their weapon became the basic economy ticket. It lures you in with a rock-bottom price, but on most airlines, it doesn't include a free full-size carry-on, only a small personal item. If you bring a regular carry-on, you'll pay a high, punitive fee to gate check it, often more than a standard checked bag. It's a deliberately confusing model built on fine print. The solution: before buying basic economy, always do the math. Add the price of the ticket to the inevitable gate check fee. You'll often find a standard economy ticket is actually cheaper and less hassle. If you do fly basic, be meticulous. Measure your personal item to ensure it fits the airline's sizer. And a small tip: if you get a bad seat, politely ask the gate agent for a different one just before boarding. If the flight isn't full, they can often move you for free. It never hurts to ask. Airlines have monetized the seat map. They rebrand standard aisle and window seats as preferred and charge extra. They create artificial scarcity, making it look like only paid seats are available. This pushes people to pay, especially families worried about being separated. The solution: first, don't pay for a standard seat. The airline must assign you one for free at check-in. You might get a middle seat, but you might also get a window that someone else would have paid for. Second, if you're traveling with a child under 13, do not pay to sit together. A U.S. law requires airlines to seat you with your child for free. Let's end with some good news. For years, getting a cash refund for a canceled flight was a nightmare. Airlines would push expiring travel vouchers instead. But that has changed. A new Department of Transportation rule from late 2024 requires automatic cash refunds for significant flight cancellations or delays. If your flight is canceled or delayed over 3 hours domestically or 6 internationally, you get your money back. This also applies to paid services you didn't receive, like Wi-Fi. It's a huge win for passengers. You no longer have to fight for what's rightfully yours. Flying is more complicated than ever, with airlines counting on you not to pay attention. But now you're prepared. You know to search incognito, check prices for two, and that Southwest now charges for bags. You know about biometric boarding, the basic economy trap, and the seat selection game. Most importantly, you know you're entitled to a cash refund when they mess up. The age of predictable flying is over, but we're now in the age of the informed traveler. It takes vigilance, but by staying one step ahead, you can protect your wallet in the unfriendly skies. Which of these rules shocked you the most? Have you been caught by a fee I didn't mention? Share your story in the comments. It could help another traveler. For more tips on beating the travel industry, check out more airline and airport rule videos on the channel. Fly smart, and I'll see you in the next one.